Hi, my name is Bill. In this 3-minute video we're going to take a quick lap around an empty marina that's kind of frozen over. Haven't been very active, mostly due to the weather and also rehabbing my left knee. I almost completely tore my meniscus on the left knee in half last summer, so I had some surgery last fall and it's been slow healing. But at any rate, you can see the glare of the sun off of the ice as we fly over these empty slips here in the marina. Boats won't be allowed back in until May, I believe, after they dredge the channel. Those white things you see on some of the dockages, those are for various utility hookups for the people that park their boats here. And after this dock, the next dock is where they usually have the gas pumps. Of course, they put those away for the winter time, and the tanks are located below that dock. Now, as we fly over this, and we're going to sort of head towards the shore, and you can see a couple of hardy souls there walking along the pathway. It was supposed to be 45 degrees, but the water is 34 degrees, so it's pretty chilly down here. There's 6 boat launch ramps there for people who trailer their boats down here and want to put them in that way. Then as we turn back here towards the north, you can see a clear demarcation between where the ice ends and where it turns back into water as you head out back towards the channel. And that water is 34 degrees, and you do not want to go in that water. We're kind of turning over here. You can see some snow fencing that they put up, who knows why. But also on the left-hand side, you see the what they call temporary dockage areas for visitors or people who get caught in a storm or for whatever reason just want to come in and park their boat for a short period of time, a day or two, or maybe even a few days. And again, this marina holds about 310 boats, I believe, when it's full. So we've made about one complete lap around, and that's all we intended to do on this first shoot of the year. And you can see me huddled back behind my car there in the parking lot. And as we get close, I usually like to spin it around and back it in, because with the obstacle avoidance warning buzzers, I hate those things going off. So we spin it around and then just back it in and land it. But it was a fun shoot, and we did another shoot this day. We'll put that one up later. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave any comments that you have down below, and come back again when we post the next video.